Students, we can see our surrounding, feel the air, we can enjoy the nature, all because of our sensory organs. So today we are going to learn about our nervous system. We have already started the chapter. Today we are going to learn about nerves, kind of nerves, and the sense organs. So starting with the topic nerves. Nerves are the structures similar to long threads that carry signals between the brain and other parts of the body. It is responsible for transporting messages to all the body parts. There are some neurons that can fire signals at the speed of around 119 meters or 428 kilometers per hour. So you can just imagine how fast neurons can carry the signals. So this is our nervous system. As you can see, there are a whole lot of nerves coming from the spinal cord and from the brain. The majority of them arises from spinal cord. There are three types of nerves. Sensory nerves that transmit signals to the brain from all the senses. Then motor nerves carry the brain signal to all the muscles. And there are mixed nerves that does the work of both sensory nerves as well as motor nerves. Nervous system controls all our actions. So whatever we do is because of our nervous system. Our bodies are super smart. Sometimes we need to move so fast that our brain doesn't have time to think. For example, suppose there is a hot object and you touch it. Okay. Now here at this instance, you don't need to think to remove your hands. You just do it immediately. This is done by nervous system. So our body just bypasses the brain. Well, this happens when we touch something hot, just like I told you. Our hands actually moves before the brain tells it to. So even before brain tells something, our body does the action, and then eventually brain finds out what is going on. But our body has done it already. The smart things that our nervous system can do, you cannot imagine. Your doctor will test out your reflex action by hitting your knee in certain place to see if your leg will move without even thinking about it. Then comes the sense organs. So what are the different sense organs that we have? We have eyes, ears, right? And all things that we can see around us is all because of our sense organs. They are an important part of our lives. The only way we can experience the world is through them. We have 5 sense organs, namely eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. So these are the 5 sense organs. Let me repeat. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Well, nowadays our nose and mouth is closed, so just I used the mask so that you can keep it safe. Okay, so whenever you go outside, please close your nose and your mouth with a mask. Okay, that is very necessary nowadays. Fine. So this is some homework for you. You can write down answers of these questions. What do we mean by nerves? What are the 3 types of nerves? What is the function of sensory nerves? What is the function of motor nerves? And what do mixed nerves do? So you have to answer these 5 questions. They are easy because we have already discussed about them. Okay, but still if you have any doubt, you can surely ask me by putting the comments in the comment box. Okay students, so that was all for today. Thanks for attending this session. See you next time with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.